Hi everyone, my name is Daniela Aguilar and today I'll be talking to you guys about the hiring and the training of radiology technicians in Long Beach that is located in Long Beach Memorial Medical Center. Some learning objectives that you guys will be learning is an understanding of the importance of hiring and training radiology technicians, but more importantly, how fundamental they are in offering primary care services. Also about the challenges and solutions will be presented in regards to the hiring and training of radiology technicians and how critical it is to evaluate and gather information in order to conduct job analysis and provide appropriate training to employees at their healthcare facility. An introduction to the topic of radiology technicians. Well, their role consists of diagnosing and providing options to treat any underlying health conditions, as primary care physicians cannot serve their patients adequately without the access to x-rays and ultrasound. It is also important to examine the various components of the radiology department and identify the roles of each individual who work in a healthcare setting. Also, we should be able to facilitate the hiring and training process, as expectations and qualifications will need to be set in order to keep up with the demands of the aging population. By conducting extensive research, it will help us identify what areas are in need of enlisting more radiology technicians if further certifications are needed, and what prior experience is required to fulfill these positions. Challenges that arise with the hiring and training of radiology technicians are being able to shift medical practice mentality from efficiency and volume to efficacy and value, with a renewed emphasis on patient-centered healthcare, and offer training programs to increase their clinical knowledge and communication skills. These challenges typically rise with the law of the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act, and also with the chronic diseases and the numerous visits that result as a rise due to the age of the boomer generation. Also, we should be able to implement new training programs that place emphasis on future patient delivery care models and ways to increase knowledge in areas such as clinical understanding, communication skills, and options in continuing to further their education. As these all challenges arise in the healthcare setting, it is also important for us to react fast as healthcare administrators and effectively when we select qualified individuals to fulfill these radiology positions, as their job outlook is increasing in the future. Solution to these will be by implementing new programs that place emphasis on recognizing appropriate indications for imaging and identifying all the significant imaging findings that result in changes in the management. Also, radiologic technicians can then place value on delivery care and have the knowledge and passion to continue to better their education path to provide excellent quality care. An example of providing a recommendation was an ad that I saw on the Memorial Care Long Beach Memorial Medical Center, where the minimum requirements should be able to be modified in order to recruit the best candidates for the radiology technician in the CAT scan department. What they could do different is, upon hiring, they should make sure that the individual who they're hiring is willing to fill their position and has the mentality to pursue further education besides having a regular associate's degree, but rather have the encouragement to continue to receive further certifications in order to comply with the needs of the growing population. To conclude, throughout the research that I've conducted, I was surprised at the need of the radiology technicians that is due to health patterns that are occurring and the effect of the boomer generation. Also, the findings of the radiology technician's job were pretty interesting, and the qualifications that are needed in order to work at hospitals, particularly the Long Beach Memorial Medical Center. It also encouraged me to want to pursue a career in the radiology field, as there is a sufficient need for these healthcare professionals with various careers that need to be fulfilled in the future. Thank you.